Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's analysis of the market. And today we'll be looking at Link. Link has been doing a few things in the market, and we just want to look at what Link is doing, right? And today we'll be talking about Link and judging from the weekly time frame, because we're in the Heikenhashi candles, we could see a bullish momentum, right? If we check the weekly, we can see the weekly is about bottoming out, right? Even on the MACD. And we said when we go back to our Heikenhashi candles and we begin to see a green upside, right? If we begin to see the candles, especially on the weekly, begins to close green, then we are in for a little bit of upside. And that's what we can see on the link chart, right? Our next resistance is about $10, right? And if we can flip that, we could see that it could have a little run to about 13, 11, 12, $13, right? So links looks very bullish, right? If we go down to the daily chart for link, as we can see, it's had a little of a movement, right? A little of a bullish movement, as you can see. It was about $6 a few days ago, right? And now we are already at $8. And we can see from the daily chart is that the next resistance is at $11. So we can actually see Link rally to $11, right? And this looks very bullish for Link, right? And we know Link is a very, very old coin, right? It's done a lot of things. Many times it doesn't move with Bitcoin, right? It moves on its own, has its own method of movement, but we can see that that's some of the chart patterns that Link is actually displaying in the chart. So we could actually see a run for Link to $11 before we come back to test the lows, and then before we have a bullish up run, right? If we look at the EMA ribbons, we can see on the daily we're still below the EMA ribbons, but the funny thing is that there's no support except for the top of the ribbon. That's at about the $9.4, but I think it's going to break it, right? It looks like it's going to break it, right? I think the next major resistance is about $11, right? If we also look at it on a lower time frame, on the 4 hourly time frame, we could see, right, that the rebounds have already turned bullish, and not just bullish, like very bullish, right? Because we saw the EMA rebound turned bullish, came and retested the rebound. Now, the moment it's able to retest the rebound and go, then that means it's very bullish. So we could just see more of like a sideways movement, right, to make the EMAs correct a little, and then we'll have a very bullish movement. So Link looks very bullish right now, right? It will be one of the coins uh, have accumulated, and you should also think of accumulating. It looks very, very bullish right now, right? Being that the EMA ribbons, the major resistance, which is at the $7.5, have been tested, right, and have been turned into a very big support. So even if we see a a a bearish divergence, it will come and retest back the support at 7.9, which it held before, right? If we see any kind of dump in the market, I believe that the 7.9 stroke, yeah, the 7.9 to 7.7 support will hold, and then link is upward. Link is ready for an upward ride down to possibly even the $11 mark, right? Down to this resistance, right? So Link looks very bullish right now, right? This is not financial advice, take note, right? But I'm just showing you what I'm seeing. The market Link looks very bullish, very, very bullish, right? And so we're expecting a run to about $11. And after $11, we are expecting for you to come and test this support, right, before it goes for a long. But right now, it's a how many percent move, right? From here, we're expecting about a 27% move on link, right? Right, very very high, 27% move on link, right? So it's a very very nice trade, right? Very very nice trade. Your stop loss, if you're about to trade it, should be below the 7.7 right percent, but we're expecting about a 24% move on link, right? So you could take advantage of that. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and then thank you.